Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got another unboxing and on feeds for you guys. This one is the Puma Storm Pulse sneaker in the burgundy colorway, and these MSRP at $90, but I got these for $39.99 on sale on Puma.com, an excellent deal. So let's go ahead and get these open. Alright, so there it is, the Storm Pulse sneaker. It looks very nice at first glance. We're going to take a look at some of the details. Let me just get both of these shoes out here. So there they both are. They look really nice. These are actually constructed of a mesh upper with some leather overlays, as you can see here. Feels really nice. And then right here we got almost like a canvas, like a polyester canvas type of material right there. Also feels really nice. And then interesting note for the construction of the side, this is actually made of kind of like a EVA foam. And then this right here is this rubber feels really smooth, like almost soft touch rubber. Feels really good. According to the Puma site, the midsole on these is actually inspired by storm clouds. Here you can see the tongue is also made of that same mesh upper. Really nice there. And then we got this leather insert right here that holds the laces, holds some of the laces anyways. The cutout of the logo is featured on this side and also on the inside. The inside is really interesting because it's actually kind of curved like that, which I thought was really interesting. It reminds me almost of like that Mercedes car. But yeah, the bottom features a wave pattern, and it's got this actually shows the EVA. But yeah, it's made of a nice little wave pattern. Really nice. A couple of interesting features about the shoe is the laces. The laces actually they're like intertwined with like white. I'll get a close-up for you guys so you guys can see that. But it's almost like a speckled or kind of like a dotted or dashed type of weave that it's got on it. It looks really nice. Another interesting feature is it's got two extra lace holes here. It's got one on the front, and then it's got another one on the back right here, or towards the top. And it's gonna be interesting to see what that looks like on feet. So I'll definitely show you guys what that looks like. Got the classic Puma logo on the back. But yeah, overall just a really nice casual shoe. Let's throw these on feet. Quick thing I forgot to mention, guys, is on the back of the shoe by the logo, it's actually pretty reflective, which I thought was a pretty cool feature worth mentioning. This shoe is definitely comfortable and it fits true to size. The EVA foam was firm yet responsive. Overall, this is a nice active / casual shoe that you can throw on for pretty much anything. I actually wore these almost all day to go run some errands and I had no problems with it. You can even wear these to the gym. And because these shoes are mostly made of smooth materials, these are going to be super easy to clean. Now for the lacing for the first shoe, I used the second lace hole on the bottom and the second one on the top. The lace hole on the top gives you a tighter fit if that's what you need, and the one on the bottom doesn't really do anything. It's really just there for looks. On the second shoe I went a little crazy and I used all the lace holes. You can use whatever combination you like, whatever suits your style. So that's going to be it for me, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. I got more Puma related content coming your way, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the footage. Have a good one.